Yeah, I salute everybody, all my country people, my countryman na one man, salute my papa, my mommy, my sister, my brothers, them, everybody, wherever they watch me today, when at the 19th of May 2020, we still me at the come in again on a countryman Junior and Noe, Okanase, with Clovis. Yeah, so I thank you very much. Before I go to the main point, I'll just give you some little things and make something that made know. Well, yesterday, when a countryman, I just shit on me from my own side. Some person just take his phone, as he just feel say he get my number, if he just message me anyhow, talk anyhow. I want just put some sense for his brain. I don't know, the person talk like Amber Fighter, but I know say many people they just form say they be Amber Fighter, where if you just take your phone, just talk any nonsense. People just I will just worry people. Yes, if he call me, he say, Clovis. I hear say now you very they pitch himself now. I be sorry say so people say they cause people mad people. The guy was very, very dull. I mean I don't even understand the pidgin. Normal pidgin no fit talk. Very I that one show the primitive and stupid way it be. I no wonder why that food for the husband they feel able for the still manipulate up to this time. Yes. Because I idiot, because they get the message very well. The show say you own done. Today I don't tell you look me fine. I don't want to call because you off your phone you fear. But I want tell you say you be the most dullest human being. Maybe I understand. Because no fit speak well. But one make do make be clear and open for now. Look at my tell you something. I just make everybody understand. Whether I be Amazonian fighter, whether I be Amazonian supporter, whether I be whosoever, I no care. I no care. I no give a fuck. I no care. I want to make you understand. Say the worst enemy Amazonian fighter you can make in your life. I mean say the worst enemy if you ever think of, and ever tell I'll repeat for tell every day. The worst person if you ever think of hurting the person or think they want come try some kind thing one do for the person. Now ex-combatant. Now the worst human being that on earth if you ever eventually make your enemy. No ever try him, no matter anything will happen. I advise you never you try it. No matter the pressure waiting for your back, never you try it. Tell the person make and take gun can do him. No ever try him. It's an advice and it's a warning. What they give you, may you understand. May they not give you small 100,000 shaking your brain. They give you small 200,000 shaking your brain. Go do to it. The rest of your life you regret them. You fail for understand. Say me. Therefore, you might put up myself. Say me. I don't be for that bush like you. I don't fight like you. And what I don't do, I know if you do, you know I do half. And two, you know, say if you do, I'm not if you do them. The threat or the cliffs if you kiss a man, so man fit do one times 2 for you. Just put on for your brain. No feel say you get a heart, no feel say you over there. No. I want to make you understand something I don't know. Because those struggle for see how they feel make a big enemy, it no work. They don't struggle for see how they feel the conflict, the one for the accent again, it no still work. Because they understand say this disarmament process, the work are fine and are the best thing. Because they save people their lives. At the camp for that point, we make them want to understand which way people that's why they virtually disarmament process they want to understand. Now I want to make you understand like a fighter on ground, make you understand something. Nobody never force you to move a bush. It's a choice. You drop your gun, you live, you hold on, you die. Not a choice. No matter they force you. Any my opinion count. You get your opinion, I get my opinion. I know if he force you, but I give you like an advice. But one make me you understand say when you talk to some person say you wanna meet up, you feel do it. I tell you one advantage where me I get and pass you and all una know and even the diaspora and even you by my other supporter. One I get my amnesty. I get the support for all Cameroonians for my back. Man make me you know you be amber boy get a damn gun for your hand. You get a turn a 1-2 blade. Me I know how to get on a catches. Look I know how to chop, how to get catches, how to wash, what to the pass, come on go do all sorts of evil them I know. Anytime I think of una camp, go do any evil, I know. Anything I think I will do, I know. All the secret about Amber, I know. You want to fight that kind of man, I watch it in the hand. I get one advantage pass away. If I vex to Bam say no, I want camp for you, I want to retaliate, more fight back. My brother and havoc. This I tell you, I say havoc. Because you know why? I know you A to Z. I know who be you. I know everything about your life. I will destroy you for 1 second. For 1 minute. I think that's about to think. Say this man, the worst enemy you can make, na enemy inside your house. Na the worst enemy that because you know if you ever hide. You know if you ever hide. Now why that way? If you are woman for your house, Now the worst person that ever make you your enemy, make you for mind. Because we want to kill you in seconds. Now so this struggle, they supposed to understand. Say ex-combatant and you now so they man and woman. Now so supposed to understand. Say if you me, I want to take your life in a second. If we think if you do it for some man will do it for you times 3. That's just supposed to think. Because me, I get the power, I get the influence, I get everything where I feel use them against you. I feel go for a minute, take the very minute it count for you, I know will leave. And then you make them up. When you talking about mop, go right for the highest forest where you know am. Me, I know I will take you. I know that I will take you. I know the area. I will leave you to do that in the one area. I get a joker take you, you don't even know. With me, I know am. Me once I feel come only 5 soldiers, 5 eye. I mean, I know the work of plenty. 5 eye. I enter. Can't find right. It's right. I mean, at the past now, other conscious that bush where you know even know am. Can't sleep for down a camp. Wait to not enter. Blow out to flip. You supposed to understand. I be fighter like you. I know where to you know am. When I want to think evil, how when I feel if you call people and I talk nonsense, then it could be a disaster. But understand, say all this thing will happen. Una motor because una be brainwash, una be manipulated. None of you understand. None of it because of money. Una they kidnap people. Them they understand. Now why the way we will not ever make them for can't kill una because the who don't decide will say more take peace than for take the violence side because we understand. Say all will be brainwash. Now what they will see we to do the poor face for make them understand. I want to make you understand. Say if you frighten a person, no will be amber. Still don't know who will be amber. No fighting amber might don't be for the struggle. I don't be that struggle before you. I don't do too. You know what I do for the struggle. Most when I talk to them, so no one ever face army for their life. And it's simple to that. When army come at the wrong, I go make kind news for council. Don't keep 10 truck 5. Eh? Now people lie. Now they go make propaganda for people that village. If they don't do so better, oh now we go and talk to them for here. All man they vanish. We go take your battlefield. You want go wild for you want to don't let 5 people. All man don't run. Now can't make more people way noble now. Una leave that thing, my brother, not already there. I tell una, forget about that 10 phone that they make up for that bullshit nonsense. Una the kill on kill our own people. Because one day go pay for it. You dare alive today because you're strong, not because God get the plan for you. I want just make a una understand because you know we and I want to tell una the one black leg not be our enemy. Now our best friend for the life. The way you can realize them, let me. I be vex past you, not be vex. Me, Clovis. I be the vex. That I be here about some man say, hey, una surrender, una do so. I be the vex. Mateo now, me, I didn't hide, I will tell you. I said to myself, I will meet up my countryman that time from 219 do extra die, till I follow you. When I will meet up, see, I don't lie you. What I will do for you, know that gang now. So time, the one I said to I will do for you. People for holla, even devil for vex, because the anger will be nest inside me. Will not be fit understand because of the manipulation, because of anger. We never ever know so that man is doing a good thing. The time where times you go on, forget understand. So these people who say black leg, they better and they love we plenty. They get the, I mean, that the high people they get the highest love for now. Who today I bend my head down. So even though I talk, we are bend my head. Che, grand, bend no, they lie you. Chuchu no life, that's so life day. Say, girl, meet up with that time. I don't lie. What have I done for you? No tell you lie. Because I be fit for understand. Because I still believe in that dull mentality, that notion of fake propaganda people of the diaspora. And they know their motive behind. But that way I don't give up this struggle and look at it, Jay, Papa God, thank you for my lives. Thank you for my brother their life they don't come on today. I be not say all black like na bad, say na bad people. And they be ever know. Say they are very good people and they get the good plans for our lives. See me today, see my life today. People they ask for they cry all my life they because they don't lost money for my head. I will come for that. So my brother them, I want to make them understand. Say never you think of that in your life. No matter the pressure, no matter the money, no be greedy. Make someone not push you on money, go do something you regret the rest of your life. Because wait to where you know, me I know. Me I even know something they say Amazon struggle pass you. If you not juju, people don't enter for juju, una small. And then they make them up, una no fine, some of una. Una know my capability be there. Even I play the other time I can't live with some even a colleague talking at general, he know my level. He know be me. He know mind what carry my belly for myself. Forget about my size. Me myself not deceive you. But I can't understand say this thing and nonsense. Why would we kill ourselves? I regret the rest of my life why I even enter for the nonsense. I'm ashamed of myself. To be honest. Because look at my life. Look at me. I don't need for everything, all those kind of things, but just thank God for my life. I'm being live today. I thank God, and I thank God for all the black leg them, where they put their power to say, I'm saying, me, I see the reality. Even though I be angry, but at the time they go, I can't realize myself a day today for here. That's in that way they do. No, no feel say we don't give up on our enemy, we no fool now. So now betray our brother. Betray we bother them. When I don't thief can't more than I and I kidnap them about them. Now I'm more remember when I make money people there, people they die every day. My brother, there's nothing like independence. So thank you now for that. I want to just send this message across before I go for different point. For people that for matter, and I want to make my own government may understand. The intelligence may understand. We they out for help the situation. We know they out for kill some man. When we do sun shining, we understand what we do. No tell me so I no go take private investigation. We get people that want to follow investigation for background. We get background work them, back work them. We get the one to come opening. Because we understand say, may any man realize himself, say this person we don't do this thing for you. May you know so what is doing a bad thing. Yes. Because I will talk to our open one and understand. Listen and listen good. The authorities them when I'm meeting people on ground. We need the help matters at times. The why I see sometimes people do the sunshine in them. Because when they give us some kind of reliable information for help situation them, we are not get on our time because we are not face the impact. People are dying every day. I be telling our last time that there are government officials they support them but don't struggle. I don't give them warning. I don't put all their name them all. They therefore under control. I just talk. I need to fear no man. I speak the truth. I therefore protect my people. This is not the time of making money. This is the time to save lives and properties of people. Not take an advantage of the struggle because make your money. No. I say no. I don't tell you last time. I say no. You know what happened? They pay you a good salary. The government go through pain for pay you a good salary. There are many people out there don't even get that job where you get them. Take them, do the right thing. No fixing over there in a different position. No. You know they put down out of your brain. No matter you are educated more than me, but I can still give you advice for understand because I feel the pain for my people. Book no be na common sense. If you go book but you no get sense for your head. You just make a man understand and make the government know which way to go on. And they will see my people their life. And I want to tell you, I made them understand say matter, etiki matter. Where they know a matter for Kona Kumba. Now the highest amber hold that. The strong place for Ambazonian. That place need a serious camp. A military barrack. That matter no. I tell you, I know. At the camp. No, not hearing, I just share. That Mato village, most of the papa for that village when I Mato people them, the rock people them, and Bakundo and wait years. That Mato people, most of the airlines, I say born and bred. You know to the road one. They before the struggle, they don't say they are bourgeois. Bakundo people, they don't say they are bourgeois. All for strange people them, they don't develop them, make their farm, make their crop them, they don't grow. Today now they don't look at say they also say all they are bourgeois for the people. That way struggle starts, they use an advantage for the people then. They drive all the people there, they get that bush. We don't do nothing to anglophone them. Before they feel our own border and pain because of selfish and greed of tribalism. Because when they get access to that bush, they chop and back. I say Amazonian struggle. They use their picking them when they struggle for chase that other people that made it run. People they suffer in an IDP with their baby farm them, hectares of bush they don't buy and with their own money, suffer. Ambazonian boy go drive them. And pay the controller pay for call you and transporter and I know me very well and I the talk. Now Clove is the top one and know me fine. Me I tell you something transporter. You need to even fight and fight. For call you never ever go no battle for your life to enter Amazonian struggle. You never tell me one fight you never fight for your life to enter Amazonian struggle. You and transporter. You don't form AMF. You are the thief na thief. You transporter don't say you're picking the offer your woman for Nigeria. I say for Nigeria, send for dollar on the year. You never can go we can't get evil. But you work on small soldiers the way their family for grounded, they die every day. Why you do and so if you don't say the Amazonian struggle and fine thing? Why not put your own the back of play where you did? Why move them out of play where you did? Because you do a bad thing, maybe save your own their life or they die, no care. You make your money, you and for call your own for matter, they do not a warning. I tell any human being, not tell fine, any human being don't take any money farm. I swear to God for any people I mention and other people I don't call them ever since. It just pass that bush and tell. Not just mention me for my first say, them don't pass that bush. And people never matter tell now. When anything come for them, take them. Because they don't decide for say nobody inflict people because of tribalism. And Mato get small checkpoint them. Small point the way this amber body they go height. Because Mato are the highest stronghold for the Ambazonian terrorists. where it take on for here because Mato are the highest. We get small village then Mbonge Meteke, you get a Lokando, you get Mbonge Meteke, you get this in. All that small village of corner this in them. For Mato de Mato Efonge, other side and all. Now when this small amber that they go height. Do gang as all these people that they even fight and my water they even go confront the enemy. They don't people that farm them. Yeah. All that small places of corner Mato, they go hide. Then they are really based on Mato because Mato be the strong wood for amber. Because nearly all that places that they born and beginning they support Ambazonan terrorism because they benefit for the small fund they don't take up and medicate them. Take up people that say black leg. Then the people that in them. You don't hear? What is all this? All that right for Makobe also now small place where they go hide, they go and do property for day. When they want to take people for all that area, when they take them money, they can't chop and Mato. Now they are playing at that point that nearly all the graffiti they didn't know resting there for Babamenda. They don't run come for Mato, they can't make money now. Because they don't understand say this side get money. Maybe they tell the simple truth, I don't know. When they make an order, they run for their own place, go establish, open their store, them, be their mat turn or something they well know today. Mat turn, papa, mommy, them, sister, them, brother, them. All of that, one secret money. They boy them did Northwest guide them for Southwest. I swear, I'm not tribalistic. They are telling the truth. They don't get house off for Northwest for inside town. I swear to God. They get their house them inside the road bilam. When they think that people that Bamileke bush them, take farm them, take things them, make their money, go be us on Bamenda. Their family enjoy for them safely. Now they don't come for you now. No. So they don't enter struggle for this side. They will go to Bamenda freely. You know if you ever don't see my brother enter Amber, you go live in normal life. You don't open a BP store, people that money, all the name of struggle. I want to make a man not say, no be all man go drop the gun. When I hear fine, no be all man go drop the gun because of safety. They gain treasure, they gain thing them for this struggle. They can make their money. As I say, man be na Okada man for quarter. When no be na thief man, Okada man. He take a gun, he pack your Okada, run enter bush. He goes to be Amber. He take cry down gun, he pack Okada enter bush today. From he kidnap you. Most say inside one month, if he kidnap 5 people. They give only 1 million and 5 million that for inside 1 month. Tell me to say that boy, if you ever leave that bush, the answer is no. You no will ever leave that bush because of the money way they get them. Man, don't make a money understand. So my people, they suffer plenty. We need the help of the government, of the military. Please help us. I cry on my people's behalf. I cry for my people their pain. I stand for my people. I stand for my Southern Cameroonians. I stand for my brothers and sisters, my father, my sister, my brother, them, everybody. I stand for their back. I feel their pain. I stand like their voice, like their power to speak on their behalf because they be afraid. I don't care if I die today. Die now one, die no day two. I will fight for my people till the last day where God will call me at the unappointed time. No man can kill me before my time because I was destined and blessed and ordained by God for this struggle and this time and this date. That is why it's supposed to ask yourself for 4 years. You Amber, but I don't go kind battle. I don't people don't die, leave me. I carry die body. I don't bury people tire, my people. I don't see blood tire. I don't think how many Amber fight I don't bury them. I don't think how many I don't live a battle for carry and run leave them. They rot for that play, they decay. People that are picking them. I don't think count how many. I don't see things for my young age past way to have even threatened me again. My people are dying. Please help us. Mato need a base. Please, may it go talk. Go directly for Minister of Defense in office. Mato need a military camp for make other area make it calm down. Because when they enter there, those thieves they go run, no get play, go get their money. We need to cut all their link where they get access to income so that this thing will end. And when based there for Mato, Kumba will be safe. Kumba, if power the commander for Mato. Mateo na mona yeah. Kumba today where the world one time the small na Mato be the sponsor. Other small come for Apollonia student. Or you go from my one for you go for lawyer any of them. All the small come there for Gamaliko. Difa where they did it today. Where they could come back for chair. Where they kidnap. All their power come out for Mato. Please help us. Help us. Mato need a base. A military big camp. because that place are the highest Amazonian power. And that group was created by Ebenezer Akwanga and Yumbo Sangong. And they tip them that they take and say, they form AMA, people don't know, they can make their money. The people they send the money for diaspora. I go tell how they send the money. I don't tell us, I don't promise I do, and so I never get time for can't tell but due to plenty work them. But I will find that day, I will really announce, I will make any man can watch them. And they hear about, I say, I will talk about EMF. Very interesting, when I come that day again. My people are dying. Then I will go again for Bekura Barombi. This thing don't be a tribalism now. Bekura Barombi then a graphic board they control Bekura le Amber. They inside bush right up here. That he for this so they was Bekura. I mean inside Bekura they take note marine they. On top of BB for this so they height. Plenty Sarah bush. They height all the other side that come there. Other side they go height. Rifle Babafaka. Other corner side and this thing Mokono Njima they go height for corner day. The camera for Bekura. Now this graphic board they might turn out what will happen. They don't drive all rock or picking the way they get bush inside Barombi. Inside Bekura. They don't kiss or want them. See that black people that lie. Don't drive them. Now they get the thing that black people see anyone progress, they catch a bush. I want to ask them to get some people to over the bar. Now innocent man, they want just cut like example. Me no go worry, say I don't call him. No. Now innocent man. He need the support. Now he know why they do better. He need support. This one turn how it be tribalistic. Because the over the bar, we wanna know it. In a graphic man, graphic picture and they control Bekura. He get bushes at Bekura, no man over take you 100 francs. 50 francs, they don't take for all my way, get fine bushes, they don't see all the bushes. And by the work and they make their money. They don't put bushes, they make their money. They drive all them. They burn nearly all medium for Bekura, but they don't burn to particular medium, they hide them. Because of say what they happen. Tribalism. Because over the banner graphic man and Northwest man, they live it. I don't tell you that the last broadcast I get about this thing. That's not the happen for grand year. They said happen for grand year. Because they control. But it no go work. It no go work. And then my warning again, they gonna for all my way get meal. All my way get meal where the mean bank where they give Ike money. They can control other money them. Cutting from Bekura for Bongo one other side. Sote for a condo. Sote for Ilo, Masore, Funge, other side of me. They go take money, give Amber them, that me them. I want one all none of the sponsor meal. They don't live on a money because I go on a private crop, they don't manage on a life. When I manage on a life. I'm not the work on a money, can go get the terrorists. Because they can't get bill. Now me, I talk for you, so I don't come up and give me money for meal. Now lie, we can send me. With delegation will come on the more 10-man squad, because 10-man squad, 10-man squad. I one of the 10-man squad. Die-hearted, they take 10-man squad them. Now we go take that money for other medium. Or I know, I don't take that money for that medium. Or I don't give me. Or the bed bid and say, for this month, you'll give that to 200,000. They will give them all. Not that small money. You want to throw around that million, so they lack more than 6, 7 million, 8 million. Can go give quick at the B house. How be very stupid and dull. They making money. People they die every day. Better in future. Tell me that kind of man go live gone. No! Because don't get take one money. Now no man about that from childhood. You know if you understand. You know if you understand why when I talk sometimes I cry. Because of the passion I get on my people them. When some brother they die, that Amazonian boy they don't understand what they go on. They die innocently. It pains me a lot because they are my brother. I sit down and say no, I love them so much. Yes, I love them. No matter anything, I love them. Because I was one of them. Because I was being brainwashed like them. I was being manipulated like them. Before I regain my brain. And when I need to do it no favor, when people don't are listening to me today. Most of the boy them ready for the bush, and I know very well say they don't burn all MTN police VIP network. No, they go stand up for spotted, put phone before they get network. When I get the information them, when I begin the hell for sensitize because I don't fear. When I the fear for do certain things, when I the hell because when I all get Android phone. The one if you watch our television, the day. The one if you watch on for phone, the day. The one if you hear and what you tell them, the day. My people, when I be stand up for 216, I push you for bush. When I move them to back for bush, we save our life. But when I know say, these two of us brown people they don't take a life, they don't ever leave that bush. I tell them I understand. No be all Amber go drop it gun because of the money they make them. Because people they are natural people then. So I don't really tell you what you do. For Koyo, you and transporter, I see tell you now. All on a thief with mediator when I do am. Or with bishop when I do am, I stop am. My brother don't over die. Last time, immediately you call my phone. That was surrender. Immediately I surrender 1 month. That tongue nonsense. But I will give you any talk that you block me, you run. I tell you, since you're mommy boy, you never face gun. You never ever face gun. You never ever go for battlefield. But you make more pass person than Amber. Because you know what you find out for Amber, their back. When you come for me to cover your face, people will open your own face. Why? Because it's not about you to do them. When you run before battlefield, start picking the die, let's soya, let's chicken. You go know. When you for battlefield, never experience gun. You go know say life get away with it. You never see play the take man. How will it happen? You regret them. My brother. You don't ever sleep with die body there for one play where you sleep. Die body there for your corner more than 6-7. You sleep for middle. For die body your at the road die. You sleep daybreak. When no one for no ID wash with die body, put die body just sleep for corner. You sleep for corner. You know, look at me. So say the man talk for a mama is the kind of pain the man to pass through. And what your man do say for your life. The story they plenty time no day. What I tell you the story they plenty but time no day. I just beg when I say, may the nonsense stop. May stop, my brother. Now wait till they happen. Now Francophone man they get a bush. No. Now my brother they angry. They don't struggle for life for better their future. Now they inflict pain for them. Why? Please the government. Please the military. Maton need a serious base. Other come and get a corner kumbada army come there. So you don't get no use. I tell now, I need hide for tell now. You don't get I be fighter for guy. Tell you a secret today. You don't get no use. For go shoot Amber carry wrong camera, you never help no nothing. Put a base there for that second point there. You destroy everything. That's what of the days that don't go find it or they will run. After the civil that they'll get power and courage for work on a carry body for because they don't already there for their own protection. But when they go knock you come on, expect them to do how? They fear their lives. Put the base there, give them the courage, help them. My people, please. Now why do we there for here today to help people? We talk it in the sense of say one kill people, no. We want to see people their lives. Because they don't understand, say, this thing is propaganda and lies and thief, fake information. Now, why that way me, I can't tell una do one. Because I know if they call colonel, call one general, because tell you no, it will take process. My power, my if I get out of the platform, if I talk, they go hear, they go understand. Because I need to lie, man. I talk out of experience and will save my country. Now, when I decide to talk and so publicly, make them understand, I make the well know. Black leg need to hide the strategies because not be evil people. We need to kill person, we need to save their lives. Now so they do all the things, as many begin to gain their sense. Now why that would do all these things? So I believe I don't pass that message across. May they understand. Yes, may they understand what should go on. I will not do so many to continue because many to die. No, not to die. One time they die. Yes, they can't ambush you. Might tell us something. Might just put do one for their brain. They arming them on ground. And even Bekora, me I tell you, do one more know very clean and clear. We Amazonian fighters will not get the capability, will not get the manpower to stand Cameroon government for any strategy, for any way. People that get that kind of power that hard, they don't die or they don't surrender. Now people remain now. And they might tell you now what should happen. For them, they can make their money, they see give them an impression so they no day. Now what will happen? Military matters until you have to be for some play for 1 month, 2 months, no man no attack now. When I say all things don't die. No, you never die. Listen and listen good. No, you never die. When they leave you, they monitor you for sale of the worker. So tell them 2-3 army the passport for the very road every day. The thing happen for Bekora and Lobe Estate. They pass around every day, they leave una. If you know the 2-3 months survey una all the sooner. Now, when also na 2 na the passport, they can level 5 for that place. They target you as you worker, you and the car una 2. They put up for your skin, order gun them. Direct. Una tuna army to that the law saying, I don't know what is what una do some una them. Some una langa for woman, the kill una. You don't see small fine girl, one go follow arrive for your house. You don't know who be the girl. You don't know what he plan for you. You don't know who way they. You don't know who be body man. You don't know who will walk to. You don't trust anybody in life. Love everybody but trust none. That is the life we did for the world today. That's what it did. When I go come on now, you say they already target you. They get boom boom boom. You fall before your friend don't take your gun wrong go. At the time they shoot so civilian and they go fear that trauma for hear that gun. Oman say, hey, people don't start to, you know, you will see Oman go run again, enter for butch. You understand? Oman go enter for butch. That's what he did. I tell you, I give you a understand, say, when una run, they don't live una for 1 month, they never run. They calculate you. Because if you can stand up for una cap, go die. They the only one that's for create awareness, make the population see the fear, so that they go to give them more money. When they ask for money, they will give them the money. Now they tell that they use them for take them, get their money. When the business say, okay, ghost down there like tomorrow. For restart, they put as a ghost down there. We need the EV council for ghost down. That will be there for book for 270, 272, 18. We know how the block road. Kumbaboya road, how the lock and lock, if they come side them. Una know. That's the manpower be there small. Una know for admitting they know what they talk. They don't witness society, they know what way they are supposed to report and talk at the true way. Now, when we go down there tomorrow, if we come today for night for so 1 quarter, we don't call it with 5, 6, we don't put small, do a die gun them. On top of that, we get one small rotten AK, we take our enter. We don't even check our military, what's the na for air, we travel air, boom, 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 right there, all man hear that sound. Military go run for Kaluka, we don't vanish. On that military go come down, cash down, one man don't hear, no say, as a one man get that news, I bet you for say, inside 1 hour time, more than 10,000 people go hear them. That they don't spoil all Monday for house. We will never get a manpower for camp today. You see how the traffic is there? Because nobody stand up. You don't already frighten you. That hour when they already frighten you a civilian. I don't get them. Hey, if you kill me, no, come on your outside. So the doggy goes down. Now the thing I think I'm full now because no day. You know if you stand up. Because also don't take out the men our money now. That's what it is. No if you say so one day if you stand up with me, no one. Any amber we don't stand for minute in front, for fast and fast for 5 minutes, you know they are alive. I swear to God, you know they are alive, you don't die. And they lie you. If you ever get hard, if you come out to tum tum tum, you run, you hide back. You come out there, tum tum tum, you run, you hide back. But when they stand fast and fast with army, no human being. Me, I come against more. All it does say Chadian army don't come, it go. You know, fit my tongue to do my control them. Now fat lie. I swear to God, make me go punish me. Now BB lie. Chadian army never ever come for the fight. Congolese never ever come for the fight. Nigeria have never come for the fight. Now propaganda that you use and the full way. No amber boy never ever see army. I want to ask you a question. Listen and ask yourself a question. Before someone fool you, ask your question, be educated. Ask yourself, say, which amber picking? If you go meet army, say, bo, you be which tribe, what's that come out? Now, when you ask yourself, it's easy. You feel, man, when you fight for killing, you go meet up, say, my brother, you be in a Chadian army or you be in a Cameroon army. Now, when you ask yourself, all those talk they say they won't bring that army there for winner, be lie. No one come different army never ever come for you. Now propaganda that already put the house use for investigate what put their brain. Now propaganda and lies till I speak the truth. We never ever know no one Chadian army. If you see Chadian army, right after Chadian army, now question they ask you. Even me today, I never see social media today. Like I said, don't be for amber strong, we go ever know. You go say no, you know go ever, you know be ever know. Because if you see me for road, I'll be very calm, quiet, nice. It's like you do me now. You don't tell us about that kind of man, I don't be that kind of person, you know will ever believe him. It's simple truth that way they. The way you know say see amber, you know right have a face. The one is say you civilian, you get your power, you need a right to move amber for your community, or you remain for the you die because the way army come, all man for that village na amber. As you live with amber, all on an amber. Now I tell you the simple truth. Because who be amber? That's the question. Who be the boy that do the act them? That's the question. No right for their face. Una know them very well, they hide them. The way army come, they shoot, they enter. So you want me to do how? They go fight for their all right. They get all right for shoot. When stable a kill, una the guy keep talking nonsense. And they come for that one. So me I tell una say, you people they want to for that community and so I don't get some. So until they can make una money, I tell them say no. And any human being pass for that farm them. My brother, I don't lie you. They go and break so see me for your door. I don't lie you. I don't tell you lie. And they talk to me sweet, but then I true a day. My people don't over suffer. And they cry for my people they are. Yeah. And then they beg some man. But waiting as I want to for a Facebook profile, fake Facebook profile, the way they shit down, they feel they come and write nonsense for Clovis. Matt tell us something. I pass all now. If you don't say be man picking me, look at me, I tell something now. If I see a comment from my person, bam, you talk about us, I dig you, I sunshine you. Most you be who? I just see you small, right nonsense. I see you, I don't take a sunshine because you support Amber. You remember they go die for bush. You the men more come on for play. If you like Amber, I don't say if you like Amber struggle, now two things be involved. Come on for dollar on for your they don't have a white man country. Come for that, can't carry gun enter for bush. No man go worry you. No system of they go to die for nothing. They make your money. No. What I tell me lie with you, that lie with you concern now you are just a fool, an incompo, an idiot, and non-entity where you be. You be just a fool because you know if you get sense. You don't get sense. Any man will be for dang it. You must not be excited by the lie they lie now. So my brother not they lie you. Check sense. Check sense. Anyhow I want talk, you talk. You don't concern me. I understand, say if you are not important, you need to create some impact, no man will get your time. No man will get your time. But I want to make a man understand, say, nobody need to be payment for Amazonian struggle. And I want to put them for my head. And no man will get no right for even want some person or even chatting some person because of the struggle. If you do that, it becomes a personal matter between us. I be tell that boy, say, if you don't say be man picking, make tell me play where it they may give me 1 hour. I mean say 1 hour, if you stand up for that place again, change my name. But me I will tell play where a day. Make fix a day to meet up anytime he run. Tough man no more now. So I don't pass that information across, make they understand what will happen. My people. I speak the truth. And Ambazonian them, their way if they can fight them not true. Because Ambazonian being made of lies telling, thief, propaganda, fake information, bite, all those things, and that's what their life be. Yes. And I want to tell on a highway, these people they be jealous with diaspora. Why we say they be interested, say I say remember for bush, you hold gun. Me I tell on their benefit and make you understand. Listen, my brother. I don't tell you, say may your emotion not ever control you. May your emotion not ever control you. If your emotion control you, you will never take the right decision. Please use your brain. I know say many of us enter this struggle now by anger and fake propaganda. Because when you be angry, you no fit think. Now why I mean most of you enter this nonsense. Where to know you regret the rest of our lives, or if you enter the kind of place. But thank God for the government not able for you send hand of peace and grant we amnesty, and the people don't even willing to take we back for society more better our country. That thing that make we suffer today, anger. I want to tell something. Whether I mean they don't kill your brother, you know, you kill your brother for instance. Yes, I want to quote example. Now I want to ask you, say wait, you remember now I told you your mommy, most say I mean shoot your brother, he die. You remember you want your mommy. You come over carry gun, say you vex because of anger, say I'm a revenge, I'm a fight, I'm gonna do this. You carry that gun, you enter for bush. But if you enter for bush with that gun, you start fight, shooting. At the tail end, they still shoot you again, you die. I want to ask you, say wait, you don't cause them. You don't change something, the answer is no. You don't leave your poor mommy to suffer that time. You don't leave your poor mommy to suffer. You don't leave your poor papa to suffer. You don't leave your innocent people actually born and live and for the guy they die for nothing to suffer. Because of anger. That's the simple truth, my brother. Move anger from your mind. You get the right thing. Who understands say we get a problem. But my brother, when you put up anger for your head, you will end up regretting because you will still die at the process. You achieve nothing. I want to ask you, say, you a fighter, when you take gun, you enter for bush, say they kill your brother or they kill your people, they kill your mommy, mistakenly or willfully. Or willfully. Me, I ask you something now. You take that gun, enter bush, for 4 years you start fight today. If you tell me one achievement you achieve from that violence, the question is going to ask ourselves. They be kill my brother, they kill my sister, they kill my mommy or they kill my papa. Now I carry gun enter bush and start fight. Because I be angry. At the tail end, I lost my own life too. Now don't losses. Now me and the family don't losses. I am poor, mommy don't losses. You know, will ever come back again. Now I want to say for 4 years today, my brother, think. Ask yourself a question. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where you start carrying gun. Say you fight. Say you want revenge. Say you want protect your people. You want fight for your people. So they fool now. They fool we. You cannot enter that bush, you start fight. I want to say no. For these 4 years, if you tell me one achievement, what do I achieve? One. I mean say one. I just tell me one. Just tell me one I give you 100%. One I achievement. The only achievement I will tell you. Now so we lost our life every day on daily basis. We destroy our own future. We destroy our own properties and we destroy our own everything. We destroy our own future. Your own future destroy them. Because of anger. Because of manipulation. That will be angry that any man will use you like fool, like toilet paper. She doesn't shit no wipe like the wipe she also throw them. That's so it be. That she know what the person can understand. But don't insult, listen and listen good. I say use your brain, not use your emotion. If you use your emotion, it will destroy your future. That is a simple truth. Listen and listen good, my brothers. I love you people and I love you people more than understand. Now I want to make you understand, say, gun, cutlass, knife will never and ever take you to anywhere. Instead, go destroy you, destroy your family, destroy yourself. You don't take an answer, go burn down my house in a black leg. You burn all the property they tell you burn them. We burn even empty them now. Today we suffer. Say, well, never know how we never we communicate. We not even suffer on our own self. Now you start keep black leg again for 4 years. The man a black leg, you go shoot you kill it because he talk his own opinion. Because opinion not fire with your own. You just look like a wish man. You go kill it. Man tells you start keep black leg for 4 years. Today we start doing. It don't give you any independence. No. Where it means that we see with the losses every day. Now I want to tell you something about the money put on our brain and understand the simple truth and where it is. Because I be blind, you I don't see. Not like I open your eye, may you see. May you understand. Now I want to ask you something, my brothers. I want to make a understand this one clear and Mona understand very well. Say any Amazonian fighter where he die, the hospital are the glad. You know why? I will explain for you. When me I die, that be the struggle, I die. I will say I die. Now, we the fighter will snap the picture. Sometimes we get our chain of command. Mo say le be all this thief man editor. Where the syndicator was me say that riffraff and let me for call yourself because na Christmas ain't no define all them. You send the picture. You go social media that she don't now so much tell you because me I get bigger audience pass editor me I pass it. And they talking proud to listen. All them I pass them. I get bigger audience. I get the voice, the influence past them. None of them compare me. For activism, no one of you compare me. And they make them up. Now, you say, well, my people, for Southern Cameroon, for Ground Zero, Ambazonia, my people, well, genocide, my brothers, they are dying every day in ground. Look at the picture. Where my brother, they die. My people, they die because we don't get gun, we don't get weapon, we don't get this. We need to contribute. We need to contribute more by the arm, more do this arm. Listen, bet me, if you enter to get only 200 followers, only 200, where they support you, they give only 10,000. How many million that? We are one head to where don't die. Then inside 1 week, you get like 500 picture and how much? Now millions. Yes, only 10,000 I give. You don't make money. Now they say they don't ever be interested in surrender. They see food because they make their dough. It's not made when you leave the struggle now, you don't losses. Now they say they even attack we. They make us want to feel as if we're an enemy. Because we don't get your brain cells. Because DDR process the work. Now the best thing I can ever government do am. Begin they give them every blessed day and night. Man tell me they know for you remember good you go die. Time go dey no. At the camp for that point. Me I know if you go small, man don't finish this one. Now man tell you something. When una don't die. When una don't die, they use una picture, publish them. Now we go attack military. We run camp for village. Army enters that village. Sometimes we look for army the pass with their motor, boom, you go here, bam for their motor, now for that they are water, bam, bam. They try to start shoot because they save their own life. Bullet they run. When bullet don't kill, straight bullet don't kill, kind of 5-6 people them. We on my way when I was start the show because we will not even be just of people their lives. We don't do an answer straight bullet between gun battle and the amber terrorism fight don't come because of wickedness. Guns start come out, straight bullets start come out for the both sides. You realize it so for the day and for that battle one finish. While last for 2-3 hours, I'm going to look around. No less than 10, 15 civilians around that or 20. We go carry and go group that put and now snap and send and like, hey, genocide! Our people are dying down here. Our people are dying doun here. Contribute money. The UN is this. Because of propaganda. Because they use what they can seek asylum. Because they seek asylum, you must tarnish the government reputation. You must talk evil about the government before they give you asylum. You go for embassy for for America. You get that immigration office. They'll give you papers, give you documents, give you better job. Most of the people women in the woman country don't get job. Terrorist trouble start the enter and say, hey, you can take and seek asylum. When they die, matona. As soon as they die every day, now so that's why they get money every day. And so they glad every day. So they like someone that the rest of the day, what to say, hey, you go shoot the fighter, kill him. You now go attack the camp. Because of security, they want weapon. Now that way they look at all they see bring countries by countries, they see make money, my people. My brother run go wise. Ask yourself a question, say, for 4 years when you start fight, no one activism, no one active for that people them that activism, sorry, for the hospital don't ever come for down here. No one, and no one will ever come. Look Nigeria, Ojukwu, Biafra war. Ojukwu come out can be for here, even an army. He can fight for ground. All man be fight for ground. Maybe the guys how we get more than 200 something generals for small but where no even reach Biafra. We command them not to talk. Kind. All man a big man. All man a position because of money. But other become for guy can't fight. Ask Eric to get better idea, better strategies. Why you not fit calm down for a year? We never get country. We no country will be recognized. We get kind doctor. They go to tramadol for body pains. We like die every day. Una food dey rot. No man no get a time. Why not fit come up for down here or send if 10 or 5 doctors for up the other doctor or a pastor come wanna wait till they name them. Why not fit come for down here? Can't be weary. They treat that wounds them. Why? The answer is no. Because they understand say this thing a scam. Because they understand say this thing will never work. Because they understand say they make their money. But now the worst thing that way they vex me pass because wait, you no get conscience, you no get feelings. They still use now because wait, you be angry. You don't deserve, no one calm down, you think. When you know, ask yourself, say, look when you get wound for amber, they forget about you. When you die, they forget about you. I talk to one instant, what we go fight. We'll go for one soldier I gone by mistake, shoot someone for back. Boom, he fall. You know what we'll do for you? We just dig that small hole. That hole set we'll put in for the cover. No matter don't want to fine for cover. The cover what the pass over corner road the way no I can't road stay. We put cut that ground for corner so you know high so we cover forget about you quick go for front. Then the future don't end so. In life don't end so. My brothers, is that the life we want to live? Look at yourself, ask yourself a question. Why you feel say you know if you make a good life? Why you feel say you know if you travel abroad? Why you feel so, my brother? That what I see people that use we every day. My brother, use your brain, not use your emotion. Think like a young man. Think like a fight. Think like a gallant young man will get a future. You feel say the other they drop their gun every day, they dull, not dull. Because they understand say this thing a scam. Come on, don't go and understand say this thing a scam. Because now whether we be willing for forgive, we take we back, give we better our futures. Make them all be productive for society because we can be ambassador ministers tomorrow. It's a very normal thing. I bet you say my brother there for that bush. You are writing for your life. Never end. You still get a future ahead of you. Think well and you save your life or you die for nothing. And then I want to put out for our brain when I understand some small chances I don't know. Might tell us something. They tell us someone I forget about the whole surrender. We go fight. Don't forget about them. We fight. Una there for ground, forget about that boy, they'll go kill them, they'll go do them so, they'll do the injection, they'll do so other things, propaganda and lies telling. You know, if you come out, even I was they suffer, now lies telling. Now I want to ask you a question. May you understand, so you need to think. You need to think. You feel say Cameroon government doll, picking the surrender every day better their future. So I don't integrate them. Second batch will see come any time of now. So that 1 or 2, 3 months that will see integrated. I want to ask you a question now. Say after the integration where they go, if you say Cameroon government, they think now. The government don't send hand of peace. Time go there we go talk here. Anybody there for bush na thief man because better picking when you don't do mistake, you realize I said you must come home. Your brother don't talk for you. Your brother don't tell you the simple truth. Don't tell you this thing and so they recall you every day. They the one calm you. You see because you make your money. You feel that you go feel fight to get the country. You super human being. Never superhuman being. That's because you dull and stupid. You don't get no sense. Now when I go carry that guy, go kill your life. Go take audition when I craze. And they come for that part. You understand? Thank God to say, okay, you know one can say be very bad picking. You know one accept peace. It means say you know what you do. The other you go face the road for the government, the military. Because Cameroon government never unleash the military. That the only okay that when I fight the battle that time we see. Cameroon government never ever fight Ambama tell a simple truth. Now we go find trouble, we die. We go attack military camp. If they say army don't attack some particular camp, say that camp they over cause problem. That camp they ever catch you shoot them, go back run. If the son will go for that village, go find them. That's simple to that way they. Or the propaganda lies telling. That's what the thing they. Where the same way so now go there, now go for go attack. Today the ghost town so now block road. Man tell that start say ghost town block road. Man tell now Amazon boys now for say wanna go army go shoot on die because I go disturb road, go burn their road, destroy government property them. Especially army go do it because army they want to protect the integrity of the country, to protect property and lives of the country. Now I work that. Especially make you look at destroy them. No, you go protect them because you carry gun. If no one will leave, I go shoot you, die. Tell the people, man, tell us something, the simple truth, man, contribute them. Tell the people with the block road, they will struggle with the block road. Army, the guys, we fast and fight shoot for up. 2,000 more come off the road. I swear to God, let me go punish me, I swear to God. They tell us that shoot for that, they start shoot for some of them. Because they understand, say, we don't get sense. We don't understand, we don't fight them, they get small conscience. My people, more reason which are the talk. And the simple I talk. When we go shaking them, the Kiwi, the capital of Facebook, make their money. Now they map that way, then I tell them that way they use them. You just say, my brother, when I hear do so one the question be general. And you see the other man way to be ATFD, one man way, yesterday maybe ayo, some idiot and need compu, some non-entity, some refra way come up for your wrong go and I go be keep better, go be keep sick asylum. You can't make more idiot. Yes, it's this general. Who put you general? You go to military school, you get general. You don't fight how many battle. You there for diaspora because you're general. They will go snap picture with army khaki, publish for now. Propaganda fool now, say general. Who know the general? Who they say be general? General for side. Who general for some man ask you for diaspora for side general. If you show me a document, should be general. If you show me military general, don't be general. You be general, yes. Why not come for down here? You your general mentality, that your experience more fight this military there. Come for down here, can't give that experience will be general. Not because you know Facebook we keep make noise. Because not all Amari area Facebook talk. Come for down here, general. Come be with for Grand Zero here, more go face that gun them. I may say go to I battle. I'll give you free marshal. I don't be general again. I'll put in a free marshal. I may say 2 battle, 2. Stand I may say 1 hour, stand I will gun. Face them. I'll give free marshal. I'll be general this, I'll be general that for that. I'm go punish them, mommy them all. Go punish now. No, don't craze. I'm a general. Now if you know for down here. Who the for now? Here out the camera audio say diaspora and stop down and nonsense. Now fighter. We make on the now we just on 17 or wait say talk about say that I get that video on my phone. We say no lockdown no day. That must be what I get some small sense for here. Because they die, you know, so they die every day for here, you understand? No job called talk kind of the kind of down you can't do them. If you understand whether you talk down, you talk for now. Because the one shows what the ambassador are not ever there in one. It means say any group that will talk, you won't gonna talk. You know see the one for the country, it not will ever work. There's simple to that with it. We waste our life for nothing. Take our order and make money. But my brother has been very wicked and heartless. For use the kind of thing for our own brothers and the Kiwi for nothing. Be better on our own future. Why? Why? What we do now? What we will do now? Why will not be evil? And then I want the mentality for everybody who is listening to me today. I want just talk to now, educate people on certain things. This mentality of 4 bush, we now move on from our head. This thing they affect we, and they talk every time, they affect our daily life. Because don't feel say any person who don't go where man country, don't 4 bush. Now the highest man that get the highest sense. Anything we tell you now correct. Now that ideology, that mentality, the key plenty of we. 4 bush. Bush now waiting. You can make a life in your country. Now that thing they make we say we dey suffer ourselves. Even our daily life it dey happen. I don't know every day they happen. You dey cherish my way there for abroad. You want tell you the wife now shit for toilet. You never get to the do. Because you don't go man, because you don't go work, job massive for the hotels, you know the see. You talk you know social media, you know say any the air condition for the place. You don't dey talk fine, what she don't talk with you, make you small just. He come out for a buy some small dirty motor, be ton. Take and make propaganda at Talaku. Fool we for no nothing. You say, hey, any man will come over man country get plenty money and it get sense. He will tell you fine thing here. Now baby lie. Me I need watch my quickly man country. For me, I don't game for that nonsense. They are man country concern you. No concern me. Me I worship that. That thing don't pass. And that thing, I want to tell you for our own small girl and to use the opposite for educate them, make them understand. No, I say they bad. They are not bad. They are good people. But I want to tell you, say majority of people who don't travel out of this country, they are big scammer. Now 419, that they are live that. At the time they ask you, true not there for their mob. At the time they ask you, you are not fine. When they come for down here, sometimes you don't live so far life, so they don't get relax. I see can have small money because the only advantage is their currency high pass francs. You go come for because say, hey, the man come over my country, hey, that's some superhuman being. Illiterate, they go over my country. Any man fit go Europe, any man fit travel. You know that some particular people. People say that for the country, they go out, that people, they go visit, come back. They don't go stroke, come back, they go do their business, come back. They tolerate. They go tolerate, come back, people dey for here. No fishing over something. Where some man do for your man country, you carry something for your head. You realize that you go in the camps for, I look at the example of that time. So small guy, for the mouse or small fine boy for down here. Man will come out for, you come out some kind of country, come out. You get on a 30, 50, you're going to enjoy life for us, even inside cave. Life not easy for day. You don't come for one car, you don't want to 2, 3, one car for car flex. You start flow na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. You no get on a time. Day one travel, no go to say they travel. At the tail end, you realize you don't suffer your life, don't frustrate your life. The small guy there for every keep you better in your future. You look down on him because that man is for white man country. Now the notion that way they kill you for down here. Please, more move that thing for our brain. Please, please. More move that ideology, that mentality of traveling for our brain. More saves our lives. Because it is afraid. Otherwise, people will be able to manipulate we because of the white man country. Because we cherish anybody for the white man country. Say now over superhuman being, you over day if you don't travel. No. No. Move on for your brain. You not over some person. You fit travel for that place. That people that will be able to use that will manipulate we. Send them down here. Look at it, they enjoy the sleep with a comfortable bed, comfortable zone. They are beginning to go school. So that other day, Eric to talk with his own daughter for a corner. Tell him, Daddy, do you want to go? Look at what I want to tell the poor man understand him. He said, wait, boy, do you want to go and do you want to go for a ride? He said, yes, Daddy. You want to go ride the bicycle? They say, wait, if I make beginning know the year can talk with the talker. Because na bad talk. It's because beginning the sharp. Listen. When some talk man talk on social media, take time, follow it, reason, calm down, you think. He say, make that pikin no hear what you talk because some people they carry it in there because they say, now evil to the talk they own pikin, they hide them for you, that more pikin no hear them. It tell you say you go see a pikin say, stand up, attention, give me cafe, some people go back, you go carry gun, put them for your hand. You want snap it, you carry your own pikin, you hold gun for your hand, snap. Is that madness? What did you put on that pikin in your head? It's a question. You don't ask yourself, what did you put on that small pikin in your head? When they shoot that guy pikin class na waiting. If you put that pikin and say, wait, gun and the fighting for you, no be a pen. But they tell the pikin what man could say, pen and book and phone are the best thing for life. If you change any place. Then either for corner waiting, it should only his sister the cook chop for a corner. He said, my sister and my sister have a corner, he prepare something a chop. Yeah, but they for that bullshit, you run a 1, 2, those kind of bullet. You never see your own mommy for more than how many years today? Until you die, no even know. You never see your own sister, never see your own picking. Your picking over the die, you will give Paracet for 100. You know if you afford that because of amber struggle. When you go get sense. First their own picking, they ask yourself a question. What do you do for Europe, my brother? I don't tell you, say, use your brain, no use your emotion. No use your emotion, use your brain. Think! Think! Chai! Think, my brother, now wait. Think! Think! What destroy ourselves every day? I don't tell you, I want to think. Look at very well. Follow that video, you see. If you want to ride bicycle, maybe you know here wait to where they talk. Because a bad thing. Because if you put up a head, because small people they be fast for learn. You see small people them, they be very intelligent. They smart because as they doesn't shut them up. It look you, shut them up. It doesn't shut them up too. That's so small picking there because it learn now from you what they tell you. Just put down for your head. Small picking learn that from you. Tell the you carry that gun. You say the first of your picking, you should have picking that gun. You think say what will that picking in the future. At the camp, I go bring that part again for some different type of education and more on that. So time could very more about people then I want us to make the one to go for the fighter. They made them understand something say about this Odeshi and this drug. Might just talk some more example people them. That they struggle, they control for roads. Might tell na control. We don't block road. Over drug and tramadol, might tell what to happen. I'm in boss, so bam! My brother, they start them. Buy it. I say, man, wrong. I mean, they shoot you for that place. My one colleague there for that, they don't take tramadol. You don't take Kayubanga. I mean, say, even here, so. Gun the hala, you know, if you hear the sound. You don't go over drop. They can't carry in our hand. They wipe the nonsense through them. Yes. No man no get time. They wipe it through because of drug. When I see how these people that on the road don't turn our brothers and sisters them down here to be drug addicts. They don't turn their brain, don't be in some kind of way I don't understand. And they tell that I don't understand. Plenty Amazon people don't craze. I swear to God, let me go punish me. Plenty of all don't mad. I mean the mental, they don't craze. They are no reason again. They don't craze. I mean they craze the ping gong now. They don't be a mad people for road because of these drugs and these juju them. Not tell them one of the year which is happen for down here. When they go take juju say Ode, she might tell us until for the baba them. Man make them wanna understand. These guys don't fight at them wanna understand. We want go take juju. Baba the car because say Mexican man, he the fear gone. He need to go back to the bed. Say this thing go work. At the camera tell now. Now, and if very only to clean or black leg, because you fall for black leg them, with the clean or black leg, tell now. You go take juju, Baba will come. He say one cut on our day, she cut 2 blade for your skin, because woman's skin, I will see the blade, they cut 2 blade for your skin. He rubs more thing, rubber. He say, okay, cut 2 days, she drink the one. Now, no follow woman, no pocket coin, no chop woman, chop menstruate, no chop red oil, no chop okra, no sleep with woman, you sleep with woman, put your clothes for down, you go wash one time, you come by wear am. No do one, kind of no fit ever fulfill am. Kind of the way every chop for chop no fit money fulfill am. No do this. Money just say we call money time. You go take a fofo, some not take a fofo, call and say whiskey. The strong dry whiskey, the white one, the plain one wey strong. You drink a one you no chop, say the ginger your body, it destroy your system. But they tell them know wetin dey happen. Destroy your system. You look at beginning very cranky, you know if you look healthy and fresh. Now the general they don't already know wetin dey happen. Now when you that to do them, or you will be general only give extra. If you look at medal for your waist or for your neck, you look at general own, your commander own, your boss own are different with your own. Why? Ask yourself a question. Now only you want to be fighter? No. Now you want, now only you want absolutely go for battlefield. Bullet, the select person? No. Whatever general be commander, bullet they select no man. All men are equal. But when it comes to anything, they give them different. But when it comes to war front, they go die. When it comes to enjoyment, they go die. Now when they come to the day, should not go for battlefield and die. You say, Papa, wait happen. You say, hey, that boy, he go look for small idea. Wait, what you don't do? I say, hey, why be sleep with that woman? If you go sleep with that woman, be 3 days. You no go battlefield. You cleanse yourself. According to you, but general, no ambassador need to sleep woman reach general for the ground zero. They get plenty woman there. So I say they flop so. That kidnapping money there, that make a boost, so they flop with their back so. Flop. No man need to sleep with woman reach there. Even if Baba dey sleep with woman every day, he say may no sleep with her, may no do this, may no enjoy yourself. Is that no madness? You go live out. He come out. You say that this small thing don't make I don't you don't die. Or you go be say, hey, you see that boy die so my tell now. Na curse for a family. My tell now. How they say people don't die please na witchcraft. So when I get some power for a village that they don't pass through witchcraft because no one say make the struggle fine, they don't kill the boy. So that papa na black leg. You be maximum you get that kind of power. Why you not fit protect that boy from against that witchcraft make boy no take it? Or why not you go kill that maximum spiritually? You go lie. Now they go kill that papa or that man missing a wish woman. Say black leg don't come out wish she die. You don't play that maximum because you don't call to a day she way. Sometimes you go play miss you say again or day she. Most say you don't go kill that papa or that mommy or that sister or that brother or they are picking self. We don't go kill her now. Now I want to ask you waiting. You call that maximum to make work you medicine. It take how much for you? My tell you there. They take how much? One maximum take 20 something million, 30 million. My tell now. 5 million, 6 million, 3 million, 1 point something million. Check say well if you work 5 camp, they give 2 million for each camp. Now much that. They check say waiting. You expect that man talk say waiting, make boy business. He will lie you say did juju so. Now you go pay the loan because everything because waiting. He wants say tomorrow make a call, he make more money. Because you already know the matter inside. You're supposed to make us wait to say no war. Now witchcraft. Wait you want money. He will lie you. May you believe it. Because you don't already put your trust for it, you don't already fool because it's dependent for it. You understand? When I die every day, this thing the man tell you. This is say juju need the work. Now madness. Because you are there never reach to die. General machine for matter. When we make more for Mufako Butuye. It talks here. It don't go chop for Nigeria. No man no fit kill it. Now normal AK bullet put it for down the rats. It taking off if we die like chicken. Chacha talk say my mother don't take off for a life. Chacha, yeah, fine, I don't watch the video. He say my mother don't take off for a life. No man no fit kill it. Like the public bullet no fit touch he cruise. When if touch my cruise, no fit touch my cruise. What you do for either for down the chicken. He dey Maryland now we come Sako go meet up. He dey all. What's I there today? My brother, think. The one that don't kill an Amber versus Amber, what's the day? Think. My brother, this thing are nonsense because their time never reach. Deep Baba they out of make their money. When I say go ever lie you. Now authority will take Baba and say we make a lock our village then. What they should take and will pay the money. They say other one will pay more than 5 million. He say may lock our village then. What will happen? Ami say me Ami no enter. Ami can enter. Ami go see forest. Go see na bush. No see road. What a madness. I want to tell you I don't want to hear. I will be stupid and dull. Say the maximum ka put I don't book ritual. Give kanka money buy goat buy dog. He do kanka ritual. They say one lock the village. Me no ever enter. I no go see road. When I come, I go see na forest. As to be stupid and dog go do. I'll give money for you. Flop. In lock village. You say hey, I no enter. That's how you relax. But lock. You want to plan of rap. You want to believe her. That just man. He don't put just where. If I come no but lock. How you tell civilian them? Forget now. Una feel free. Una enjoy. We don't lock that village. We don't even need to go gas again. Man tell una something. I no go enter. I'm gas and will guide you now. Wait, you want look tomorrow. I'm enter Pope. That way I'm enter Baba. Now what's the way I'm enter? I be tell you so one day we make it some more knock drummer where I'm in the campus and knock drummer. Nyongo man, you know Nyongo man de bafaka. Say most knock drummer. We start knock so I'm in the campus knock drummer. I'm in no go see road. My brother, as I tell you so. Say avec. Why is that laugh because it's funny? Say I be stupid. Organa drummer tugu. I'm in enter to choke. It tell we say tell her going to buy some you not going to sing me I'm no go see road. What a madness. I'm enter let's say no stress. Tell her go to go fail or we don't do take money chop. You say we do some other powerful one. We strong pass that one. We take another money. My people then when we get sense. How many villages don't lock and we no enter. Man tell you I enter some place go enter because you know prepare for enter that place. The way time to show enter, I go enter. My brother, I want to tell una say the scam will be fall into. It will never happen. It will ever happen again. For the rest of this country, till the very kind of crisis will ever happen again. Because experience are the best teacher. Because many people will learn from our mistakes. Books will go there for write them. It will be inside history. For avoid any generation. We will see come up again for the kind of bad scam. Yes. Because we talk to one to the other. Person when they be for the film, he go understand. And if you can tap him for Facebook, Okana say Clovey was an ex-combatant, ex-Amazonian fighter. This is that he was fighting this year. He see all information. He see all it be happen. He like I be there or I not did that time. What have look at generation where I be? What have go die that time? They will go tap I go be for day. They will come out, see the fact, them tap all the people, all the things happen for the country. They will realize the thing as scam. They will see educate. No one will ever fall for this scam. Where this thing already end for the generation, don't end. My brother, one turn and say no. We fit change this country for the better way, for good pen and paper and phone. Not being about fighting. Yes, we can change it. No look down for yourself. You see me today now, those one say, "Che Clovis." So one comes to Che Clovis, I say, "Don't turn a big boy, you be celebrity now, we be star." And they be star. And so you think, yes, of course, be star. According to you, now God, you can do. If you do what I do, I'm ×3. I definitely over no. You don't because you don't decide for say no one do and you no one the triple truth. If you can do more than what you are do. Yes, because you don't decide. If you do pass me 100 times, your talent there for the bed you lost them. You don't even know who you be because you fear. So my country people there, that thing the way they happen for grand year, and I make us more understand what will happen my people. For 4 years today, there is no achievement. I want to ask diaspora them this question. For all of the country, when I'm support Amazonian terrorists, for all of the Ghana support terrorists, one of the dollar of fake Facebook when I talk nonsense. I feel ask you the question. You feel tell me any achievement where we don't achieve for 4 years today. Just tell me one achievement. We don't achieve them. But we're destroying our own self, destroying our own future, destroying our people for nothing. Can you give me? You know, if you tell me, my people, what a madness. We be dull by the time don't realize ourselves. Please, my brother, on a reason and save our lives. May you know, say, you save your life, in my life, you save them. I'm not being interested for your lives. I'm not being interested to kill you. Now, your life is a choice. Why would they hear me, they come out? Why did they hear me, they remember? I bet you say they come out every day. I want to tell you, I say, when I fail for understanding, no, this thing that I'm going to here. I want to tell you, they say, no. Disarmament process, they work like magic. Fast. I say, that's why they can't die. Because everybody say, no, be interested. I say, they struggle always to say, they want to kill me, they plot kind people for me, kind style. For if you do me, kind for if you pause me, say, they get down. Because wait, they realize say their business don't fail because I don't save my life. Through me, many will save their lives. That's what they did. I'm going to tell you something. When the day when one Amba be surrender, that day Amazonian struggle end. The day where we take gun, shoot Amba versus Amba, kill him, that struggle end. The day we take our gun, shoot one, say black leg, that struggle end. It's simple to that way it is. If you think inside yourself, you talk, say, Army don't do this, Army don't do this. You know people don't say a black leg. You know people that papa in that, or people that stand in that. The people that family, you don't kill people. Good, not just for war, only they count the casualties. It don't happen, it don't happen. With the face na the peace. With the face na the solution, only thing they don't pass. My people, that is the simple thing. The simple truth for life. So I thank you very much. I just say I come today to make una understand. Muna reason like one people. Muna understand these things in a scam. May you know say you talk now with your brother. May you know say you talk now Clovis. You don't talk with any kind of man. I put my face, I put my voice, I put my name. You're supposed to understand. No one need to tell you. You're supposed to understand. Say I be aware for anything. I be aware. Because ambassador people they be out of trade. I'm out threatening for your shit, but you know if threatening me, you can be fight. I don't threaten people to I don't take phones where I tell you people 2 days time at the end you. I don't do other things them. You want to threaten me now? I know who you. I know your capability. I know your level N. I know how Ambafi attack level attack N. I know what if you don't what if you do. Your power N of civilian say go keep black like kid. You see minutes you run. I know what if you do for 1 minute. I know what if you do for 1 minute. So more forget about this. Is you can't attack the man. My brothers, I want to tell you, people is talking for make and say more be enemy, but never na enemy. Because the one is the use now. They make their money as I tell you now. Now whether you see me now, I need to check on me. I want people to understand. Look at my life now today. I want to ask an Edgar to be jealous today. Look at my life. Look at me. Are they alive today? Nobody knows tomorrow. I see tell you, you know, say before Clovis, are they alive today? God don't already get a plan for my life. You know that's how I be strong. I need to be strong. I need to overget that sense. I need to overget brain. I need to overget that juju. But now the grace of God keep me till today. Because God knows I have a fulfilled mission for doing. Man tell you something. I don't stand up for battlefield so close. People die for my corner 3 and remain for me though. We don't be so. Person lead me and lean for war. We do for battlefield. For go attack with military. Person there for my corner, bullet pass, take na a day for day. Now because of sovereignty, God get a field plan for my life. If I fit tell my story that I don't pass through, I don't get time. The story plenty. Experience, I mean say plenty, but time no day because I don't suffer. I don't see die. My brother them. I contribute them. When they see me today, so are they alive? Now by the power of God. I don't see nothing man threaten me. I fear. I never see nothing man tell me. I fear. I never see the kind of threat. Because what I don't see for my life. So today, I just laugh and I laugh. I never see them posting those. I'm not sure because if they show some of what I don't see, you just die. You know you just see a shop you die. My brother, I don't see things them for my age. I no plenty things there for my hate. So that be the way I be so. Tell them will struggle, I be so over blood. I don't see them. My head go off. I tell them the simple truth. Because of thought, I be so I shake so over blood them. I don't see die body the entire. Only what people don't pass through. Some of them slaughter for down the chicken. So that be so I know people chop. Tell them inside struggle. It's not easy. It's not easy. We want to go back to the you drop, you tramadol, give a batting them, you take them. You need the evil reason. If you're going to get focused, that courage for juggle, tell go open your skin for army, they blow them, you fall a chicken. You see one fight. Now wait. Now one tell me wait about Amba. What do you want tell me about the nonsense where they happen for that game? Now one fool now them. Now fool people don't know now. People don't know what happen. My people, it's not easy. Trauma. Oh, we human being. Trauma. But we get no choice. Because we don't see our way out. But I see thank the government again for the good initiative where we create them for showing of peace and create DDR Center for save our lives. I really appreciate you. I really appreciate you. May God bless you now. May God bless you now. So that time I take do I no go ever stop appreciate. I will see apologize every day for all my people. May God bless you now. Thank you for forgiveness and everything. I don't care because people they are not saying their own work. They can't go back Facebook profile, write nonsense, talk nonsense. But I thank you very much. Wait till you country man a day for year, me Clovis, I don't pass through for life. When I be there for bush, I don't pass through. When they tell now, the trauma be there inside, but be the pass through, the anger be there in me, and I believe it to that day for year. And be ever knows I will surrender. But I thank God till God show me the right way. And the best decision I ever take of my life, I don't will ever regret them. And me for the talk on for year, that the best decision that I don't take of my life. I don't care whatever any person will talk on or you say for me, it don't concern me. All I say, I know say I do the right thing and I create impact for my people. And why that one I feel we don't be a public figure like how I did now. Many people will struggle for discredit you. I see the other time the other man take my picture, he talk how they sleep with for a show. We do kind talk the propaganda them, other kind of thing them. Bibila, attire life. But you know say when you don't be important like people like me today. We don't be like a public figure, everybody see you. Anybody will discredit you. You don't be like a star for them. Because I be their star now. I'm a star. Yes, I'm a star. And the simple truth that we did. I'm a star. Now when I struggle all way, when I don't like kind life of Clovis, talk kind thing. Well, I pity you now. Asha. Yeah, when I go learn more life. No don't struggle. Always propose me money, more than 10 million francs. For say me I no can talk again for the platform I talk. Me I go Nigeria. Una give me the first installment. Man tell una what happen. Una give me the first installment. 10 million francs. So they give me 10 million francs. The man tell the about they make they understand. You know I understand me they know from today. And they talks na lie. I swear to God. They propose me 10 million francs. Say Clovis, Ubek, Commander Ubek. No, the talk again for social media. No can talk again with their platform. Stop. How if you make a mess, stop. We'll get money, we'll propose for you. We'll get 10 million francs, we'll give you cash. Bet. We'll first give you the first installment. May you take and then you come from Nigeria. They will give you, we'll just fire away. Since you come out, they not find so the fee free. They say you come out, you go you. Then, that time now, you can't take the remaining balance for Nigeria. Man, they tell us something. I want to tell us, I need the chicken. Tell me Amber, I don't give me 10 million. I tell you leave Amber, I want 10 million. What I want that for me? Because I want my life. Because my life be important part of 10 million. Because I make more than 10 million for my head when I live. When I die, I will make 10 million for my head. Now why that one I want to say I come go die again. But when I don't fail, when I go find some kind of people don't person like me. I know the money minded. Tell me Amber why they sick for paracetamol, buy paracetamol, nothing give me. But when they die every day, nothing give them. No, don't die. Why not take that 10 million and get them? When I go look that family, they don't even die, say go give them. When they begin the job. Now when you take that 10 million self, can create some NGO for grand here. We want to even educate some picking them. Or take that money, do some better thing. When I instead contribute money, finance terrorism for Cameroon. You go contribute money because of bad doctor you get them. You say you want give for elected to the made take and make better their life. Support terrorism way. The money they come for down here. We suffer every day for down here. The money if you come, if fufu na for update. I mean, if you shit down for down na one man question a day, una get a good future for people like we, una umbrella for down here. Una even contribute that money. So where we no get job. Government for all we government over get job and because we no get job today. Una say okay, if we open some company for all day for diaspora, all we anglophone them. I want to tell that this one. I don't know I get that same percent una it. So all we do for one man country, we fit contribute some money. Since we our country there, so we fit help to develop our country because Cameroon are all body, no be not one particular man. We fit take the money or contribute all the how many dollars for the my to go here. Now that million of dollars them. Una take that money come for down here. Una find some per head. So I say okay, well, if we create some company, if we make even a bread, even a sardine, even any kind of thing. At least if you employ, even that kind of 1,000 youth them, or even 500 youth them, you don't do some better thing. But you choose for take that money, you go sponsor terrorism, make a key, we more die every day. When you don't know, so people that agenda, and say, well, they take and make their money, they receive food and they give them money. Why not be do that thing that's so for we? They say kill down here. So na get sense for my country. Now go chance. I don't miss all my woman country na bad man. Now don't misquote me. Those thief them for them. Why would I know them? I talk for them. When I talk for you, don't tell them if you answer the better your life. No get up that kind of nonsense. Because most of them don't get up that diaspora kind thief them. Yeah. Why not take that Monica open fine company? Better our life them. I wish I was supposed to where my brother do some fine thing. May God bless you now. For the road where how do they even live for that place? How if you assist the government, someone live fine. No never even think of that. No never think so. If you wear one eye closed, we don't surrender. No, but I think now for kill them back. What an evil, my people. More understand. What an evil. All people don't surrender. So now don't ever think about their life. When you talk to their people. When they run for save their own life, when they vex, so no one kill them instead back. It correct? It correct? No one ever think that if you wear clothes, if you buy even those for their last, for assist the government. No. When I see the struggle for kill we back, when I see the struggle for instigate with bad mentality again, it no go work. As people who don't know, it no go work. I don't say any player I go there tomorrow, I no go stop. Even after my integration, I no go just stop. I go create time. It go be my own duty. For to speak for my people, put brain sense for their head. That I'll get enough time for myself. That I should on my own side do my things well. Advanced more. Yes. Tell them more, make them understand. So now forget on a team them, my people them. They tell you give me that 10 million. Me I go Nigeria, I take the money, I go to Nigeria, and then I take the remaining money. But they tell now. The first, I'll be very dull man. I'll be very, look at my tell you, if you look at me the way I talk, the way I present myself, I'm a very smart and intelligent young man. With a brain. And very smart me. And why don't I not say a smart playing, I talk down at things because I pass on. Yes. But I first say I door. Before I went to Nigeria, I brought me they kill me. Don't I say one man go to Nigeria again? So now make me passport, make me team them. Or just take and fly. I think I go to one man country. Man tell you, man make una mona no fine. When me, I want to go one man country, I will go na. Put up for your brand and make them for tell you, me, Clovis. When I want to travel, I don't go for the dirty country they want to do. When me, I want to travel, I swear to God, I just give you a little time, you see me for the, I talk for the, you see me live. Travel is not my problem. You need to fight me with that kind of nonsense. Money is not my problem. If you have money, I'm not for there for the place. If you have money, I'm not for there for the place. You need to fight me with money. There's no amount of money if you give me for buy my life or for buy people their life. I will never take it. Me, look me fine. You need to bribe me. You need to bribe me. Money if you take for any man, that one way you take for your godly mind. You say Clovis, where I beg, I do not out of my own mind or not anything. I beg, take this 500. I dash you, on my own dash, I dash you. I know say that money you give me with your clean heart, I will take it. I say, Papa, God bless you, thank you. But no feel say you can't give me money, say why bribe me? You waste your time. You need to bribe Clovis. So they 10 million. 10 million is some money that. I believe I'm gonna be giving how much. When I look at I want now, when I look at, I don't look for when I was stupid. I need to be dull man. I look at that time don't pass it. When I look at my one of that, when I look at all the educators, when I look at to me, not play me. When I look at my one now, when I look at. I'm not trying me, when I look at. When I look at, I pass all now for all style. I don't carry gun, I leave them. I come for activism, I say pass now. When I look at, I need a friend. Now my worst enemy for diaspora. Other activists about diaspora. Other actors are all my worst enemy. Anyway, I say, I'm not terrorist, my enemy. But when you change, you'll be my best friend. When you surrender, you'll be my best friend. You don't blow me. Don't ever try me again next time. No ever. I need that kind of man, I need bribe me. I need follow money. No ever try him. I want to. No ever try him. I want or no ever try him. Me no try. No ever try him. I need be small picking. No, I need be fool. No try him again. I not be excited. I be mad when I remind my business, my life that what I get I tell me the concern are you, where you find the concern are you. You don't see me. Wait till I get a big contempt, wait till I get them. No do for that nonsense. I look out. Maybe money minded. When I look out. No see no small people. I don't struggle always, no way, no day. So if I fear the money I waiting, man tell something now. If you give me that money, that 10 million give me I will chop am because I'm suffer that for Amber now. I'll take my payment for Amber, so I will take her. I don't know. I don't know. He does it and send up my account one time. Say I will just give us an account. I will find so one big man self, so one general or colonel self, those who cannot get an send for your account. I take them. I chop the money, I can't say call center here. I give my brother, they money they so that the people the hospital they give you. Now I suffer, those suffer that die. But anyhow, we don't take the door, take and enjoy ourselves. We buy me for center, you drink, enjoy ourselves, dance. Now mommy they all around Chris when I eat. Now super they fool. Now give food to them for push the men. When they go to that, they don't start get sense too. So I tell you that very much people them. This is my talk now. Yes. So the calm time we go talk now. May God bless you now. Una stay tuned. I want to appreciate you for una support, una everything because una word of encouragement, una courage, una give we. I thank you very much. May God bless you. Be one and deck again. While talk again, the highest man, our Igwe Daddy, their place day. We, me countryman, Junior, I will ever and ever make you proud. I will ever and ever make my people proud. No matter the challenge. They no will ever succeed. They beep na beep. They beep na beep. Nothing, I understand. Before I venture for the part, before I take the part, I already know where to go there. I be aware of the evil, the good, the bad, and the ugly. I be aware. And no, not to threaten me. For no start. Not threaten me tire. Not do me kind thing tire. No one knows one. We don't try to really take my own life. We are not ever fit. We don't carry our money come again. No, I was stupid. Boy, they for bullshit. They don't even get the whole food rotting off a bullet. But Nigeria don't. They suffer now. They don't get one for chop. They will see man play. Una can go down again. Una door sense. They don't Nigeria. They don't get one for chop. Because when I go run go Nigeria, you know what I mean? No, I don't go Nigeria. Because they don't come manipulate una again some other time. When I go die, make their money. But I pity you and never get sense. There are times I talk with them every day, they get sense. My brother, they will not ever venture, and I will die all in Sansan. You man no fool now, yeah. And they tell you, like man no fool now. They don't struggle for doing a brother for yeah, me. They don't beg me, man, not talk again the truth. Man, no make them know the truth. Man, tell you to truth, but then about the husband don't meet up me, they don't call me, message me. Calls, I pick and if pick all my come, my number they will platform here for the DDS Cameroon. My number they any man will call me. They don't call me tire. Promise me money, 10 million francs for give me some and not talk again. Man, leave the money, they die. I say, no, I don't take the money. I'll tell the money I come out for money, so I die. Man, tell them because I don't get a phone. I don't know money I put on my brain. So, man, they talk and say, money, I don't even understand what people do for you. So, I thank you very much. No man, I tell them, I say, no human being, no amount of money you can bribe me. Never sell my conscience. So, I thank you very much. May God bless you now.